Hi, this is Pierre-Yves de la Côte, working at Planet Technologies. When I work on Teams deployment and Teams adoption, I recommend my customers to create a Teams public user group or where they're going to store useful information about Teams, maybe trainings, maybe tips and tricks, and so on. So I just wanted to share that the one we have at Planet, and I had some new features, and other can add new features because basically Teams is a new tool, and it's exploding in terms of adoption, and also Microsoft is adding new features really quickly, and so if you want people to first learn what they can do, and second learn what new features are available so they can leverage even more features, then you probably need to post um, some advice, some tips and tricks. That's what I do in this environment when there are new features or when I just think that it's useful for my community. You can add several content. You can add maybe a deck about tips and tricks. You can add a training. You can add if you using our platform Evolve, you can have a link to Evolve page that can let you follow training on Teams depending on your level. And what I wanted to show you is as some sort of community manager of this team and this channel, I add some links in a OneNote and centralize the information in this OneNote. And I linked conversation. For example, if I want to show you sync Teams file on your desktop, I added a link to a conversation. So how do you do that? So you take the conversation that interesting for you and that you want to link to, and you click on the ellipses, which means more stuff, and then you just have to copy the link. And when you copy the link, it's in the clipboard, and then you can add it wherever you want. So here, if I want to add it in a OneNote, you select the text in OneNote. The text, I'm not going to do that because it's not the case here, but you select the text you want, and then you link the text to the link you copy, and then it's done. That way, you curate your teams, synthesizing some content and useful content. So there's two ways to find out about tips and tricks. Either you'll look at the post, different post, very interesting, or you want to see maybe a summary of the post or interesting features, and then you have it in OneNote. And since OneNote can be a tab of your channel, it's become really, really, really handy. So the tip of the day was to show you that you can really easily from a post, you can find the link and copy the link and copy it in wherever you want. So if you want to do that in Outlook, in an email, you can do that too. Even if you're in a commercial tenant, you can share to Outlook your post. So that was a tip of the day in create a team user group team to share tips and tricks and training and content, and so people can learn more easily how to use Teams, what is the governance you want to put in Teams, and so on. Some advice to let people know how to better use Team and better leverage Team. Hope it was helpful.